Dorico Pro is built for the most demanding projects, with features designed for professionals who need the best, most powerful tools. Produce publisher-quality conductor's scores quickly with automatic condensing of multiple players of the same instrument onto the same staff. Smart linked cues that update automatically. And powerful divisi and staff management. Customize the appearance of every item, instrument, and symbol in your score. Observe the conventions of different musical genres or publisher house style guides with numerous engraving options. Then easily reuse any of those customizations in other projects with the Library Manager. Smart MIDI import allows you to bring in music from complex DAW projects, combining multiple technique tracks into the same instrument and expanding sectional tracks into individual parts. Format pages to suit any type of project using desktop publishing style features. Design custom tonality systems to fit your project. And there are even more sounds for playback, including solo strings. Download a 60-day trial version from our website today.